Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a new questions that is write a Java program to remove brackets from an algebraic expressions. So previous video we will done with the space and before that we will also done the special characters. So we will done with the remove the special character and remove the spaces. Now the question is we have to remove the brackets from the algebraic expressions. That means in the particular scenario how to remove, because the special character whenever we are removing we use that, else you have to print the these kind of things. But in the scenario here is if you have a bracket, so you have your logic like to be only remove the bracket from the string. So let's implement this. So to implementing this, first of all we need here a string expression. Just take expression is the name of the string and the value of the string, like bracket a plus b, then the bracket close, then minus, then the bracket c minus d, and the bracket close, and the end with semicolon. Okay, this is the program, and this program is saying you have to remove the brackets only. Okay, you just remove this bracket of the string. How to remove this? This question is really interesting. So let's implement this. First of all, we need a one variable string result, result is equal to double quotes and end with semicolon. This is just the empty string right now. Why? We will tell you later. Now here we were not using the any kind of inbuilt method. Okay, so it's a pure program. So here we use the for loop starting from the int I is equal to 0, starting from the 0. That means that our string is starting from the 0. From the 0 is index of 0. If you know the index values, then you know that actually what is the index values. If you don't know that, then you have to first understand what is the string, what is the array, what is the symbol of array, how to access the particular element. So those kind of concept you have to first learn it, then come back to the here and learn it. Okay, now I is less than of expression expression, okay, dot length length, and then end with semicolon and I plus plus. So here what we are doing, our condition is int I is equal to 0, and the I should less than of expression dot length. That means the last of the length. So the total length is storing from here, and then I plus. So it will be every iteration it will be iterate one by one by one. Okay. Now side of this, the logic part is here, like char ch is equal to expression dot char at of. So it will be getting the values from one by one through this char at of method. Okay, so this is the char, this is the expression. Expression is a string. So what we are doing, we were storing back to the characters to check one by one by one. That means it will take one characters at a time through this char. Okay, so it will be checking from like this. So the next we have our condition here. So what is the conditions? Let's comment here. Skip brackets, and now the if th not equal to what we have inside of this bracket is inside of this single quotes, this is the bracket symbol. Okay. If ch is not if ch is not equal to, that means that the char is not equal to this bracket, and then again and operator here. What is the meaning of the and operators? I hope you remember. And operator, if the every condition is true, then only it will be giving the values as a true. Otherwise, it will be returned the false in the any conditions. Okay. So next condition is if the ch is not equal to this opposite side of brackets, then again we have other conditions like and ch is not equal to, just take here curly braces. We can also check the if curly braces is there, you have to remove that as well. So this condition is also here. And then again and operator, ch is not equal to, again opposite side of the curly braces, and just side of this print result plus equal to ch. So it will be storing back to the result. Okay, it will be storing result inside of the result. So the what is happening here is basically it will be checking the if the ch, if the character of brackets, and if the character of opposite direction of opposite brackets, and if the characters not equal to uh, right side of curly braces, then the opposite side of curly braces. If this all condition is true, then only it will be storing the values inside of this result. Otherwise, it will be not going to store the any kind of values. So in the our string, we have only a uh, brackets. We are not using the curly braces here. So let's store like a inside of this curly braces. Okay. Now, what we have to do, just come outside the for loop, and this time to print the our values. So this is the our original values, original expression, expression. Okay, then plus we have to print the expression here. Now the next one is sys out. We have modified values, that is expression without brackets, without brackets. Okay, plus print the result over here. Okay, now the our program is done. Let me run it and see what we will getting. I hope you will see the magic over here. See, the original expressions a plus b, bracket a plus b, bracket close, minus, bracket c minus d, close bracket, then curly braces, then a, then curly braces closes. Now the expression without the brackets is a plus b minus c d a. So it will be removing the brackets of the brackets, any kind of the brackets, like here we use that only bracket and the curly braces. We can also remove the uh, array kind of the symbol as well, but that is not that value, that condition is not right now. If we want, we can implement that as well. So let me just take one space over here now, so you were clear to see that. Now run it again. Yeah, we will getting the values what we want. So we will achieve the values. Let's suppose if you want to check the square bracket as well. Just here, take a plus over here. In the square brackets, just write the uh, BA plus B plus C plus D, then square bracket close over here. So it will be removing this as well. For that, we have to write the condition as well here. So let's take a ch, okay, not equal to inside of this square bracket, then again plus ch. Oh, why will getting there? Let me tell you. First, write the our logic part here. Ch not equal to, then opposite side of the square bracket. So problem is here we were not using the AND operator here and not here. So that's why we will getting this error. Okay, now this plus operator is not needed. Okay, so now here the condition is and ch is not equal to curly square bracket, and then ch not equal to opposite side of the square bracket. Now let me run it again. So we will getting the values a plus b, c minus d, a plus b plus c plus d. So it will be removing the it will be removing the any kind of the brackets over here. So I hope you will understand these videos and you really see the new kind of videos like this. So that's all about in these videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.